Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download videos from Kapwing. After editing a video in Kapwing, the final step is downloading it to your computer. Kapwing processes your edits in the cloud, so you need to export the project first, then download the finished file as well. And the process is very simple, but if you skip a step like exporting, you won't see the download option. So simply open to your web browser. At the top there's an address bar, type on kapwing.com, and over here go to one of the drafts to make sure all edits and trimming, resizing, subtitles, etc. are completed, and preview your video using the play button over here to confirm everything looks good. And look at the top right corner, there's an option for the export. Click onto this export here, and this requires for the upgrade in Kapwing, and make sure you already have upgraded version of it. And after that your video will successfully exported into your library as well, and the file is usually saved as MP4, which works on most of the devices. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.